Good morning. So duty na pud ta karon. Trabaho na pud so magbuhat kog bacon sandwich kay all day ko karon. Trabaho ko karog 13 hours. So kinahanglan na tay baon. I got bacon here.
I'm late. I was going to do this for you. Oh, you should use nice stuff. Out of date. That bread. Use nice
That's
bread.
alright.
Oh,
I survive.
just some lettuce to go with it. Bacon,
Yeah.
lettuce and tomato.
Lettuce and tomato. No, it's okay. Only lettuce. I'm fine. So, yes, kinahanglan ko magbaon kay actually this is my first break snack, diba? Na pa first break.
Yeah, I get it.
So naman ko duha ka break sa morning and afternoon. So morning man akong baon, man akong snacks. And then ako'y lunch pod ika afternoon. So kinahanglan ta mo kaon sa trabaho kay kung dili pas mo ta. So this is my sandwich. Look. Siyempre butangan na ako siya lettuce para bongga.
Chutney. Oh, that's a nice idea. Spicy tomato chutney.
There you go. O, diba? So, nana ko yung sandwich. Then, ato nang ikat.
Oh, this triangle is nice. Oh, no.
Naamis siya.
Oh. Is it because it fitted your box?
Yes,
You've tested it.
I did.
In the white side.
So, siyempre, ato na siyang ikuan. Slice ka upat. Look. Kalam yung anak.
Nice. Posh.
Asa ka karon love. Wala kay money. And yan ako sandwich nga bag.
Do some foil instead. It's insane. It's not designed for that type of bread. Oh, you'll crush your sandwich.
That's the point.
I think a bit of foil works better. And you put it back to there. Sorted.
I just tried this.
Yeah, sorted.
Taran!
Is that it?
Yan ako sandwich. So na guys, sa trabaho na ko.
Nana.
And manana. Ay,